Good morning guys, welcome to my channel, and today is another vlog. And my sisters have moved into my house, to my apartment, and their boxes are at the door. So yeah, so right now I've just woken up, and the girls are asleep right now. As you guys can see, they're asleep, and the boxes are right here. And yeah, going to wake them up very soon. We have a busy schedule today, so what's gonna happen is the girls are gonna wake up, they're gonna get dressed, take showers, and after that they will be doing the chores, because yeah, we need, like, that's what my parents told me to let them do. So they're going to be doing their chores. Then after we will be going out, like taking walks, going on our bikes. Then we will be going to the beach, and after the beach we will be getting some smoothies, and then we'll be heading back to the apartment. And yeah, so that's our schedule for today, and I will see you in a minute. So right now I will be sipping my hot cocoa. It tastes really good with the candy cane on it. And yeah, right now CNN is going on, and yeah, in a minute I'm going to be waking up the girls since they are asleep, and I'll be getting them some breakfast. So see you then. So right now the girls are asleep. Layla is with her teddy bear, like another gift I got her for Christmas, and Coco is having the best night of her life because she seems really cozy in the bed. Good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, Layla. Good morning, Layla. You awake? Aww. Okay, good. Hey guys, so I've just talked to my viewers saying that you guys are going to have to do chores. So you guys, first you're gonna take showers, brush your teeth, get breakfast, and then next you guys are gonna have to do your chores. So you got that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll see you guys. You guys go brush your teeth, and I'll see you in a minute. Bye. One.
Spent the night in a hospital bed 'cause you cut way too deep when you threw out your meds, and I got in.
Are done changing. It's time for me to change. So I'm gonna quickly pick out my outfit. So this is the outfit I picked, and I really hope you guys really like it. And now the girls will be doing their chores. The chores. Layla has vacuumed, and Coco has done the laundry. So now they will be having their breakfast. Do you guys like the burgers?
Yeah. Yeah, and the drink.
Butterfly, you're a butterfly, butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly, butterfly.
The girls will be going on our bikes, and we will be heading to the beach. And you guys are coming with us. We're gonna head to the beach, so you guys can follow us.
Now your soul see me, yes, all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. there's no way you can lose. The world works for you. Now that you're you feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
Hey guys, so we finally arrived at the beach and the girls are over there swimming and I'm gonna go check it out. So let's go.
Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time.
Okay guys, so we decided that we wanted to go on a boat. So let's try this out. Ooh!
Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say
Smoothies and juice, and you guys will be coming with us. So let's go. Ooh. Going to sit down and I'll order some juices. So what juices or smoothies would you guys like?
I want the strawberry.
You want a strawberry smoothie?
Yes, please.
And you would like the same as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go and order. Okay, Layla, so here's your strawberry smoothie. And here's a smoothie for you, Coco.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And I might as well get a juice for myself. Mango juice. This looks good.
I got another
This juice tastes so good. Do you guys like it?
Yeah. I like it.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. We really appreciate you guys watching this video. And if you guys would like some more videos, make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.